This is how much I have earned with this one, and you can surely do the same thing if you follow closely now. I've found one website where people like you and me can go and easily get some money by using this simple yet effective strategy. Whole process is gonna take a minute because it's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, I found perfect website for us. You can make a lot of money with this if you combine these websites that I'm gonna show you today. And this is the first website. This is 5squid, guys. It is over at 5squid.com, and it is very similar to Fiverr.com except for the competition, guys. There is no many people here. There is not so much competition, and you won't have to battle for your first job here or the next ones indeed. This is based in the UK, guys, and as you can see, you can get paid in pounds, and there is a way on this website in which you can get paid, which I recently found, and it is really amazing, guys. As you can see, there are a lot of categories over here, so if you, for example, have some skill which is located here, then it's better for you, but if you don't, I'll show you how you can get money here without possessing any skills, guys, without any work, and I have a perfect tool for you that's gonna do all the work for you guys, and that's really great. A lot of money is here. So first of all, guys, we need to come here and click on the join button over here, and now just enter in your email address in this box over here, click continue, or you can alternatively sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google, or your Twitter account. Now once you make yourself an account, you will have to verify your email. You will get an email from these guys. Just click on this link and it's done. And once you are on the inside, guys, you can buy, you can sell, you can do whatever you want, but the main thing that we're gonna do today is we're gonna sell something, and that's pretty easy for us, guys. You can sell this thing for good amounts of money and you will be happy because you won't have to do anything, guys. This software will do everything for you. And let me just show you how much money these people are earning with this design, guys. As you can see, you can just type in mockup, click enter, and now you will get all these mockup services, guys. As you can see, there are some people here which are already doing it, but not a lot. And for those of you who don't know what mockup actually is, it is the thing where you can take someone else's design, someone else's logo, and put it on a shirt like this guy is doing, on your t-shirt or on your sweater or something, or on a wall or on some cups, beds, whatever you want, guys. On a car, you can put that mockup wherever you want, guys. And if you think that it is simple, well, it's not, guys. You need a program like Photoshop or something, and you need to be skilled to make this. It's not very easy, but I found software out there which does it automatically, guys, and it's good. It's really good. It can place your mockups there without any hassle, and you will just have to put a logo and choose where it's gonna go. That's simple, guys. And just look at how many people are here who are already selling these mockups, guys. For example, let's find someone. For example, this one, this logo design. Let's click on it, actually. And now we can see that this guy is selling each for £5, and it already sold 787 of these, so almost 800, guys. So if we take that amount and multiply by £5, now that's almost £4,000, guys. I mean, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. That's more than $4,000. And just look at this guy, 1.1 thousand reviews, and this is £5 each. Now this guy really did it. If we take 1.1 thousand times 5, now that's 5.5 thousand pounds. Now that's amazing, guys. Amazing. Or just take a look at this guy. This guy really killed the game. He sells for £10 each, and he sold 1.1 thousand, guys. £10, and he sold 1,000 of these. Now that's 11,000 pounds, guys, right away. And he's got some great reviews, guys. I mean, this guy really killed the game, and you can do the same, guys. You can do actually the same thing. And right now, I'm gonna show you the website which is gonna do all the hard work for yourself, all the necessary things which are needed for making money. This website will do it for you. And this here is the place where you can do it, guys. This is Placeit.net. This website is gonna do all the work for you, and you can see that you got all of these templates, guys. They've got everything that you need. They will do everything for you, and it's amazing, guys. As you can see, these shirts, these letters, these shirts, again, there are a lot of templates here, so you can do whatever you want, guys. You will earn a lot of money using this one, so just click here on Mockups, and as you can see, you have apparel, you have digital, you have print, you have print on demand, you have everything here, guys. And as you can see, you have free mockups over here, so it's gonna be free for you in the start, and you can do whatever you want, guys. Just look at these shirts. For example, if we put it like this, your image is gonna be on these shirts, guys, and it's gonna be amazing. Just look at how good it looks. Now you also have some, for example, coffee mugs. You can put your logo on a coffee mug. There are a lot of options, guys, and it's totally easy to do, guys. But of course, you will first have to go on 5squid.net, and you need to check what the customer needs of you. So if they want some shirt, as you can see, they will make some shirt for them with the mock-up design that they want. And guys, just look at how simple this is. So for example, these are some face masks which are very popular nowadays. So you can, for example, upload your image here, and you will get a face mask based on that. So for example, upload design 1, you can just insert your image over here and just click on upload from your device. And you can see that I've got my image on it, and that's pretty nice, guys. So you can do whatever you want with this. You can be creative, you can play with it. You got all of these templates over here, so you can do whatever you like. You can see that there are a lot of these designs, and your mask is gonna be the way you want it. Now here you can see this hoodie over here. I will insert image once more in this one. And for example, this is One Life is Beautiful. Just click on crop, and that's gonna be on your hoodie, guys. As you can see, it is very simple. Anyone can do it. You have all of these templates over here, so it is you are very spoiled for choice here. It is very simple, and you can see my image is on each one of these, so it is very good, very simple, yet so effective, guys. But if you want to be a pro, guys, if you want to get all the templates, all the necessary help from these guys, you will have to pay a bit. And if you click here on pricing button, you will see that they've got like $89 per year, or you can switch to monthly, and you can see that it is $15 per month, guys. And that's really nothing. That's really nothing. I mean, if only 3 people from here buy your mock-up design, that's already your investment, guys. You will already get that $15 back, and that's your investment, guys. All the other things are gonna be profit. So for example, if you take like 3 days for 3 customers to get back your investments, all the other 27 days in a month, it's gonna be profit for you guys, and that's nice. That's a lot of money, guys. And trust me, when they see these mockups that these guys do on this website, they will fall in love with you, and you will earn money just like those other people are making right now. You will make a lot of money just like these people are doing, and you will be better at this because you have a software which they don't know about, guys. They don't know about it. They do the hard work themselves, and you will be able to do more work in the same time. So for example, you will be able to accept 5 of these jobs while they are doing only 1 of it, because you have a software, you have this strategy, guys, and you will beat all of them. So I highly suggest that you guys go and take some action, earn some money for yourself, and I'll catch you guys later.